Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to today's training. This is Tom Larson. Today's presentation will be on Screencastify and the power of screen recordings. You can get to the slide deck of our presentation today by visiting that URL that's right there on your screen, tinyurl.com/Alcoa12-18. Screencastify supports a dynamic classroom environment by facilitating self-paced learning, modeling essential digital literacy, and enabling personalized multimodal feedback for both teachers and students. So if you were unaware of why we would want to use screen recordings, there you go. Screencastify streamlines the instructional process by integrating seamlessly with Google Workspace, offering intuitive annotation and editing tools, and providing built-in interactive assessment features to drive student engagement. To get started with Screencastify, you're going to first install the Chrome extension. We have this Force installed from the district level, so you should find it there inside of Chrome already. Next, you'll want to sign in and grant the app permission. You, of course, will use your Google account to sign in. And then once you've selected your Alcoa Schools Google account, make sure you grant those necessary permissions. The basic screen features of Screencastify are record, edit, and share. Screencastify provides an all-in-one workflow that allows users to capture high-quality recordings with real-time annotations and then refine them using a browser-based editor, and instantly distribute content via Google Drive, YouTube, or Google Classroom. Step 1, we record our video. You can see you have several options there. You can choose to record a single tab, full screen, or just your webcam. You can toggle the drawing tools functionality on or off. And if you have external devices you would like to connect to your computer, such as an external microphone or web camera, you can do that as well. Once the video has been recorded, you will then edit it. You have cut trim features. You can crop the video to better frame a segment or portion of the screen. You can add text, and then you can blur, zoom, and merge clips together. This is especially useful if you need to protect identities or sensitive information. Once you have the video edited, it's a matter of sharing it. You can copy the share link and send it via email or chat. You can share directly to Google Classroom. Or if you wanted to download the edited video, you can do that and then export it to a destination of your choosing. Keep in mind, everything that we record automatically gets saved to your Google Drive, so it's there and easily accessible whenever you need it. At the end of this presentation, we have links to some resources there. You can click on that. And if you've gone through this entire presentation, make sure you click the certificate link here. That will take you to a form. You go ahead and fill that out, and then you will get professional development credit. Okay, here we are in Google Docs, and we'll be using Screencastify and show you just how easy it is to record your screen, edit the video, and then share it out. As you can see, the extension is located up here in our toolbar. Here it is. And for this video, I'm simply going to be demonstrating how to change and format text. Alright, so we want to begin by clicking that Screencastify icon, and we'll choose the This Tab option as your first one. Make sure your microphone is turned on, and if you want to record your camera or your webcam's view, you can do that as well. I've got some brightness issues here on mine, so I'm going to try to adjust that a little bit. Still a little too bright for my liking, but we're going to go with it. Notice these options down here. We can choose to show the drawing tools, the teleprompter. We're going to leave those off, and let's go ahead and click record. Here is how you format text. Step 1, you will go ahead and select your text, just like so. Go to your formatting toolbar. Choose either bold, italicized, or underline. Here's bold, italics, and underlined. And that's it. Okay, now that the video has been created, what we're going to go ahead and do next is to edit the video. So over here on the right, we'll see the edit video option. Let's choose that. We'll wait for the editor to load. First thing we want to do here is add a title. So I'll choose that add title option. There we go. And I want to change that first word there to formatting, the word formatting. We'll leave text as is because that's the nature of this video. We're dealing with formatting text. Alright, so that's done. Alright, at this point, I'd like to zoom in on a portion of the screen so it'll be easier for viewers to see. So let me get right to that segment of the video where I want to apply that effect right there. Alright, so the way we do that is by going to the zoom tool here and then reposition our zoom window area. We can resize this if we want to. There we go. You can set your zoom speed over here if you like. We'll leave it as is. We'll click done. Alright, so there's the effect. We want this to be zoomed in for several seconds, so let's get a larger view of our timeline. We can make that happen by dragging this slider to the right. Alright, here's our timeline, and I'll just put my cursor on this handle here, and I'll drag that further to the right. That looks good. Okay, let's come back here now and let's see what our completed video looks like. I'll click play. Alright, you can see it zoomed in nice there for me. Alright, that looks good. Next, let's go ahead and save the changes. And once more, save changes. Okay, so at this point it's ready to share, but before I do, I'd like to enhance the video with some AI tools. Notice you can see we have captions and AI dubbing, so if I happen to share this video out with someone who doesn't speak English, they'll have the option to have it read back in their own language. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and enable that, so let me click captions and translation. Alright, that'll go ahead and apply those changes. You'll get an email notifying you when the effect has been applied and it's completed. And then AI dubbing, we want to go ahead and enable that too. Let's select a language. We're going to say, let's say Czech. And we'll click generate. I've found that the audio dubbing feature takes a little bit longer, so just be patient. You can see this message up here telling you that you'll be notified whenever it's finished. Alright, so at this point, if you want to get a preview of what your video looks like, you could click this preview button here. I'll do that. There's the preview page. You can see our transcript options are set. Let's see if we are ready to hear our AI voiceover. Doesn't look like it's quite ready yet. That's okay. It will be soon enough. Let me close out of the preview page. We'll show you how you can share this. Easiest way is to just look for your share button over here on the right. If you click share, you're going to have the option to share it via Google Classroom, or you could just copy the share link and then send it to someone via email. You can also adjust your link settings here. I'll make note of that. And then the options I mentioned earlier about exporting the video, those are located down here on the bottom. Continue. There we go. There's your export video options. Looks like I have a few more than what I mentioned previously. You've got the YouTube option directly to YouTube. You can export the whole video out as an MP3. Get your embed code. A lot of options there for you. Thanks for tuning in today. This is Screencastify. This is a very basic session today. We will be having a district-wide training session that covers some more of the advanced features that Screencastify has to offer. That's entirely voluntary. We have and we'll send out again the Zoom link to that video should you care to join us. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, tlarson@alcoaschools.net. Thanks for watching.